This is apple, right?
Yes, the small one.
Apple, oh. Maliliit pa. Ang dami ditong prutas. Nagbubunga na sila kasi summer na siya. Ayan, ang dami, oh. Pwede ka dito pumitas lang. Libre naman dito pumitas eh. Kasi maliliit pa. Ayan.
Mirabella.
Mirabelle.
That
It's
it's a
also for fruit.
yes, but must be yellow to be eat.
Ayan, ang prutas pa. Dami dito cherry.
Mirabella.
Dami puno dito ng prutas.
No, Muslim. They have here a station.
Sunbathing of ducks.
Watch out because they
Ducks.
fighting.
Ayan na ducks.
Making from this.
To become a vinegar.
Yes.
Oh, this is fruit too. Oh.
Yes.
What kind of fruit?
I don't know, but better. I don't know.
Vinegar. Vinegar daw yun. Oh, ginagawang vinegar. Oh, fruit. What type of fruit?
That it's the nut.
Ah, no, this.
Italian.
Italian.
Oh, that it's a plum.
Ah, plum yan.
But must be pink
Pink.
or violet.
White.
Then you can eat that.
Ang daming prutas dito.
And many years ago, when I was little younger, we just met at this park.
You go inside.
No, walking on the.
This is making a sugar.
No, not this one.
Where?
Look, that will be a small. Wait, that will be. That will be.
This look like a rose, oh. But they're not rose.
Grape.
Grapes?
Yes, that is a grapes.
Oh. Ah, grapes pala to. Small.
Mm-hmm. But it's a garden, so that's why you have many fruits here.
Grapes, oh. Maliliit pa.
But that is a seed only. The real one grapes will be have a different grapes.
Seeds. Grapes. Grapes what they eat.
Yes. Yeah, colorful. That first color of this was gray, but that gray metal. Oh,
That is pipe from to the water?
yes. I think that will be potato.
No,
or
this tomato. I have that too.
Yeah.
Meron din akong tanim na tomato sa bahay. Ayun, ganyan. So we need like that for our tomato
Mm.
because they will be go down. Ang daming apple, oh.
Mhm.
Oh.
Look, that will be looking.
I will take the check.
Idę jeszcze z innego szaszłyka i może jak wy jeszcze nie będziecie, jak nie będziecie jeszcze jadł, to tam do was zajdę. Zobaczyć co tam słychać teraz.
Ale daję ci wodę.
Co?
Daję ci wodę.
Nie?
Oo. Ang tanda na ng puno. Laki. He always smile, but he's afraid to me to carry. Carry by my hand.
No, they
For
ran
me.
away the street.
Ooh, ooh. Bird.
No, they're fighting for the fruit.
Fruit?
For the fruit. Fighting. Because here is garden too.
For
Wow. Yeah. You see the luxury house.
what?
Still in the village, so still here most of the person is very old, but it's here houses.